Page 271, this is the reading exercise at the top of the page. We're using this Italian 6th chord, but they provide the notes. We don't have to figure anything out. We just play what's written. I look it over, it's a line long, treble bass clef, 2 flats in the key signature. I believe we're in the key of G minor, and I believe that because it ends on a G minor chord. So I'm guessing, I believe, it's in G minor. And the 3/4 time signature, one hand at a time first. Let's see what happens. 1 and 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, it all fits fine. Their fingering is okay, I reckon. And in the left hand, we get the chucks, broken chord. I trust you know the names of these notes in the left hand. You really need to know the name. If you don't know them, go back and review and study. Get those learned. This is E flat. Even. I'm going to use 2 and 1 there in the 3rd measure because I need an F sharp coming up. It's easier to reach it. Now you can do that, or you can do this. 4 here, and then that. It's up to you, but then you got to come down here. So probably easier to use the thumb on both. Both hands together are OC. That's it. I take out the hesitations, I put in the articulation, I add the dynamics, which is moderate. This is soft. And then the speed is just a regular waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, whatever. I want to add pedal to that because this bit, I'd like that smooth that out a little bit. But getting the pedal in there to do that without messing up the melody, because you could smear the melody real easily. You don't want to do that, so you have to be very careful on how you use the pedal as little as possible, but where you need it. Let's just take a look here on the 3rd to the last measure on this Italian 6th chord. We are in the key of G minor here. Okay, if you look at the previous page, there they give you the example of it in C major. Major, minor, doesn't matter. It's going to work the same way. Stay within the key and use this key signature. In C major, in that one, you see the bottom note is diminished, or here. It's a lowered 6th. Okay, it's a minor 6th, actually. And from there, you're going to go up a major 3rd and an augmented 4th. Well, that's what we're doing here. In G minor, we're going to go up to a 6th and lower it down. That's our starting point. Then we're going to go up a major 3rd and an augmented 4th. These. Those are the notes they're using. E flat, G, C sharp, that's what they're using. Well, it's here. They're not using the E flat, they're doing it. Well, whatever. Ask your teacher if you're confused, because I'm bored. Let's go on. Let's play this together very slowly and make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. Three,